体育消息，咱要来看美国职棒世界比赛，道奇队攻赢洋基队，连续摕到2个胜利。不过球星大谷翔平却是因为投手率倒边的肩胛头突然受伤，加在治疗了后是恢复了袂歹。因那第3战大谷确定做先发，继续做头一棒指定的打击。世界比赛第2战第7局，4个摆球补上上垒的大谷翔平，第一要偷走去2垒的时阵出意外。大谷去用触杀出局了后，并无随爬起来，等到是举手法救人，表情是真痛苦。了后伊翻身，手摸倒边的手骨倒伫涂骹，救护员随去了解情形，甲伊插离开现场。事后教练证实，大谷可能伫处理的时阵用倒手去踢涂骹，无细致造成倒边的肩胛头有部分的所在突然去。
He had a little left shoulder subluxation, but everything. So we're going to get some tests at some point tonight, tomorrow, and then we'll know more in the next couple of days. But the strength was great. The range of motion good. So we're encouraged.
美国这棒世界比赛，道奇甲洋基，让43年了后，这届伫比赛要对决。就伫道奇连续2届摕到胜利，大谷翔平轻松受伤，球团甲在场的观众是拢惊一条。不过大谷经过检查甲治疗了后，而且也是赶去纽约洋基的球场，以小来练习的方式参与球队的练习。
Yeah, I mean, I think that, taking dry swings, which he's done, but then obviously taking balls off the tee, batting practice in the cage, that's going to be telling. And I think that he's obviously very well aware of himself and his body. So if he feels good enough to go, then I see no reason why he wouldn't be in there.
教练表示，大谷已经会当做打击的练习。世界比赛下个第3战，真有机会会当上场比赛。因为大谷恢复甲遮尔紧，嘛互球迷是加较放心。期待2杯比赛会当看到大谷上场比赛的表现。国际新闻张惠斌报道。